Hello. I'm going to give you a little tour of this studio that we're going to give you some basics right there. We've got that. That's the Scott system right there. Right there is the audio board, which we would be doing all the audio projects, all the radio shows that we going through. The microphone, which you would talk to do the weather, or if you had to talk. Behind that, you have the Scott system right there. That's where the whole log is. Then you go by this book here, which is called the log book. That's just a paper copy of it. Sometimes you have to go by that because it tell you that inside this digital log of what you have to do. Then over here, that's where you would actually, that's where you would do the news is over here. The news guy, he's usually not here on weekends. Then over here we have the router, which is up here. Then down here we have the CD player. Some shows actually still come in the CD form. Here's the cassette player, but a lot of things switched over to CDs lately. Over here is the mini disc players. The mini disc players, which a lot of shows you have to record because they lap over and then you have to play them at a later time. Well, that's your tour. So hope that helped a little bit. Alright. Peace out.